Welcome back to another Blackwell Insurance Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to be discussing some preventative measures and some safety precautions that we can take when it comes to our home maintenance that can help us avoid some claims in the wintertime and really just keep our family safer. So the first thing that we're going to talk about today is a water claim. Right? This is why you always hear wrap your pipes or leave a slow drip on your faucet when we're about to get a deep freeze. Frozen pipes can lead to a busted pipe, which could lead to a flooded bathroom, flooded bedroom, flooded kitchen, you name it. But at the end of the day, you're looking at a pretty significant claim that could have otherwise been avoidable. Just take the few minutes that it takes to go wrap those pipes. Whether you're using newspaper and duct tape, towels, or Lowe's and Home Depot sell like really cheap foam insulators that can go around your pipe. It takes a few minutes and you would be saving yourself a lot of time and heartache and potentially money down the road if you just take those precautionary steps. The next step that you need to take, and the other avoidable claim, would be a house fire. If you've got a wood-burning fireplace, now is the time to get that cleaned out. Don't let your fireplace become built up with soot or your chimney built up with soot. You're really just putting yourself and your family at exponential risk by doing that. Not only could you lead to a huge house fire claim, but you're talking about really risking the lives of your family. I know it's an expense and it may take some time to have someone come out to the house and do it, but it's really just not worth the risk. Get that fireplace cleaned out so that you can sleep easier at night, and you can also avoid a disastrous event for your family and losing your house and potentially some lives. Again, wrap those pipes, get that fireplace cleaned out, take the time to do it. It's worth it. This has been Blackwell Insurance Tip of the Week. I'm Colin Pickering. Thanks and have a great day.